Hey, be less comfortable. There we go. Happy Saturday, folks. Thanks for taking the time out of your weekend to check this video out. And I'm actually recording on the day that the video comes out, which never happens. You don't care, though, so I don't know why I'm saying that. Talking to a camera. This is what my life is now. Welcome to the channel. I'm SB Mitch. You can give me a follow on social media. You can subscribe to the channel. You can turn on notifications. You could do none of those things. You could just watch this video, be like, wow, this dude's kind of weird, and then leave. And everything will stay the same whether you do those things or not, because that's how life is. Hello, pals! Today we're looking at my possible sneaker of the year, the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro, inspired by the Atmos Elephant Air Max 1. It's not an actual Atmos collaboration. A lot of people are calling it the Atmos one, but it's not an Atmos collaboration. Atmos, as you know, is a designer company, whatever you call it, in Japan that has done a lot of collaborations with Nike, most specifically on like the Air Max line. And Nike SB has been releasing a lot of sneakers this year that tip their cap to the SB line. Like there was the infrared dunks, there's the Safaris, which are right there. The ACGs, there's just been, it's the 25th anniversary of the Air Max. Oh, wait, no, it's the 30th anniversary of the Air Max 90. So Nike SB has been giving a lot of love to the Air Max line. So yeah, these are very cool. Let's take a closer look at them right now. I mean, you guys can see it with your eyes, obviously. What am I talking about? They basically took the Air Max 1 and said, let's throw it on a dunk. The biggest difference that everyone seems to be griping over, and I don't know why, is the amount of tightness on the elephant print. As you could probably see from the video and kind of in this video too. Actually, here, if you can tell, like, the elephant print. How am I doing this? There we go. I mean, you can see the big difference in the elephant print. It's definitely a lot looser and more spread out on the Air Max 1, which is fine. I mean, I kind of like that it is this really tight design, because it kind of sets itself apart from the Atmos Air Max 1, because it's not an Atmos collab. If it was an Atmos collab, I would expect them to absolutely mimic the elephant print, but I think this definitely sets it apart from the Air Max 1 collaboration. You've got this actually kind of nice leather with a white vamp, the elephant print on the mudguard and the ankle, and on the heel tab on the back there. My absolute favorite color on a sneaker ever, this teal jade swoosh. It is patent leather, just like the Air Max 1. You got suede, black suede on the ankle collar around here and on the side panel. Stock laces are black, secondary laces are gray, as you saw in the video. You got a nice hint of jade on the arch support on the outsole. White midsole. It is a little bit off-white just to match the kind of color on the midsole of the Air Max 1. Black outsole. I mean, it's phenomenal. I love this shoe. I love the Atmos Air Max 1, and I think this is a very, very good take on that shoe, and I'm extremely happy with these. I got these on GOAT early. I paid well over $500 for them, so don't think I'm special or anything, because I just wanted these that bad. I'd rather pay a little bit more to secure that I get my own pair. Plus, I got early access on the Off-White 5s and sold those to get these. But that's a different story. Who cares? This is a Nike SB Purple Box GR. So unlike other GRs that have come out recently, the shipments were on time. So this does have a release date in the US of November 11th. The retail on these is $100. They are not releasing on Sneakers US. I don't know about other countries, but in the US, they are not releasing on sneakers. That's a big misconception that a lot of people had, because they did release official images, but just like the Travis Scott dunks and other numerous dunks that released this year that had official images, they are not releasing on Sneakers US. They are releasing at your local skate shop, so check your local skate shop's Instagram accounts or their web pages to see what their release schedule for these is going to be like. They might pop up at other retailers too, because it is not an ISO release, which means an in-store only. The orange label thing, like the Dunk High, the Doraemons or whatever that came out, the infrareds were actually an ISO too. So these will have a little bit of a wider release, but it's a Dunk SB low and it's a classic colorway, so they will be extremely hard to get. Almost forgot sizing. These are a Dunk Low SB, so you're going to want to go up half a size, just like any other Dunk Low SB. Resale on these right now is, I mean, it's early, so it's probably super high. If I were to guess, I think these are going to be very similar to the Safari numbers, but add like maybe $25 to $50. So in the 400 plus range for resale. If I were you, I would, if you are intending or stuck paying resale, I would definitely get them sooner than later. Because I think these will go up eventually. I'm a huge fan of this release. I think they did a really nice job. And I'm kind of glad they didn't do the exact same thing as the Atmos Air Max 1 Elephant release. But dang, very cool shoe. Definitely in the hunt for my sneaker of the year. It's the Dunk Low Pro. Atmos inspired Elephant. Good shoe. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I appreciate it. Let me know down below in the comments section if you're intending on or just really want to get a pair of these. I'll answer any questions you might have that I might not have covered in this, because I usually forget something. But yeah, this is a very, very good shoe. I just wanted to get this video out as early as possible because YouTube clickbait. Hey, we'll see you on Monday for a recap video because I didn't do one last week. I just had a busy week last week, but there will be a recap Monday on... There will be a recap video on Monday for a beater box. I don't know which one, but I'll find one that is all sold through and we'll go through it. But this is today's video. This is today's shoe. I'm going to be wearing these into the ground. So thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Till next time, take care of each other. And remember to keep sneakers fun because they're supposed to be fun. Bye-bye. See ya.